Welcome to NAUI's Dive Team Report. I'm Greg Martin. If you're like me, you love new gear. I especially get excited to attend DEMA and see what's new. Chad Barbet is a Southeast Regional Rep for Hewish Outdoors. Chad, what do you see for the future of diving gear at Hewish?
I think the future of diving gear, a good example of what the future would be is to look at what Apple has done to the technical world of products. Their idea is, how do we take what's out there and make it better? Not everyone's going to want it. Not everybody can have it, but we're going to make it better and be successful doing it. And I think the engineers that work through all the brands, Atomic, Bear, Stallsack, Ziegel, all these brands are looking at that way. So how do we make regulators better through material and technology? How do we make computers better to be safer underwater through materials and technology? Make them smaller, make them better, make them more powerful. How do we make things more streamlined? How do we make equipment that lasts longer and is more durable, that people's life depends on when they're underwater? So how do we make the equipment invisible so the experience is what they're enjoying and not worrying about if their equipment's going to make it through or not?
And that does seem to be a big challenge. Well, in addition to the world of sport diving, we've now seen a huge uptick in the popularity of technical diving and gear. Talking to Tim O'Leary with NAUI's technical division. Tim, do you feel like diving has come full circle?
If you will go look at the original equipment, the harness and the backplate, that's where we are today, streamlined. The backplate is made of stainless steel or aluminum. You have a harness. You have what is known as a wing. The smaller the wing, the better. It has come full circle and very accessible. Anybody, all the manufacturers have it. I can't think of a manufacturer, one that doesn't have some version of the technical gear configuration. So it's very accessible. And in the end, it's not that expensive. Again, the expense is in the dedication of training.
Well, be sure and check out NAUI's new website at naui.org. And that's this edition of NAUI's Dive Team Report. I'm Greg Martin. I'll see you underwater.